What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be doing a collab video with a bright young magician, Mr. Magic Cardistry. So, let's do it. Alright guys, so the performance for this collab will be done right here, and you guys can go check out the tutorial on Mr. Magic Cardistry's channel. I'll put the link on the screen and description, and of course go there as soon as you're done watching this. So let's get started with this trick. I'm going to take out my deck of cards right here, and what's interesting about this deck is that all the cards are facing in either direction. There's card facing up and card facing down. Right, so I'll take these cards, I'll hand them over to a spectator, allow the spectator to go ahead and shuffle up the deck as much as they would like. Okay, and once they're satisfied with the shuffle, they again can give the deck back to me. Okay, that's pretty fair. Now, in a second, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all these cards, again, they're all mixed up, I'm going to put them under the table, and I'm going to break them up into two piles. Now, what's going to be cool is each pile will have the same number of face-up cards. And of course, I'm going to do all of this without looking. So, under the table, and you can see my face is right here. So, okay, I think I'm pretty close to done. So 2 piles, same number of face-up cards in each pile. Okay. All right, so pile 1, pile 2. So let's take a look at pile 1. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 face-up cards in pile 1. Okay, now here we go, pile 2. This is the moment of truth right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cards as well face up in pile 2. The same number of face up cards. Now I gotta say, I usually don't do card tricks that involve going under the table or behind the back, but I think this is definitely worth it. So if you guys want to go check out the tutorial, make sure to go on to Mr. Magic Cardistry's channel, and also make sure to go ahead and subscribe to him. And I'll see you guys there. Peace out.